Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to create a new project in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this process is straightforward. So let's dive in. First, we need to access your team. So first thing that we can do here is basically open your Figma account and then you can log in with your account. You can basically type in your email and then your password, or you can click on the continue with Google and then select your email address. So for example, I'm going to select this one. So here, as you can see from the file browser, here you can select your theme from the left sidebar. So you'll find the theme right here, which is the example only theme right here on the left sidebar. And what you're going to do is basically click on that and then click on the create new button. So you can find it beside your team name tab link, or alternatively it's in the center of your team section, or use the new project button in the top right corner of the team section. Now we're going to name your project here. So for example, we're going to create the new project model or the descriptive project name. And then once done, click on the create team button. Now in the next step, you can add your collaborators. So as you can see, you can update user permissions on the team page after setting up. So I'm going to add one here. And then you can set their permissions if you want can edit or can view. So can edit allows viewing and editing files in the project, and can view provides read-only access. So we have the plan here. You can choose your team plan if you want starter, professional, or organization. So with the free plan, you can create only one project, but this professional or organization plan, it offers more flexibility. So in my case, I'm going to select this, choose a starter. So once done, as you can see, you will now have the new project in Figma. So remember the steps. You need to basically choose the team name and then create new project, then add your team name, and then you can add collaborators and select your team plan. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Figma project. So stay tuned for more design tutorials and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So thank you for watching and see you guys on the next video.